What's that all about? I know she's not running across the stage
No,
doing
she's
nothing.
on the Broadway fashion show.
Oh yeah, she did it last time. Why didn't she this time?
I just don't have any voice or energy on all that. All that time. Oh,
She did that better last time too. She did a pretty good cold actually. She came in right away and how to do it. Tired. Is that super tiring?